Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Josue Baldison, and in this video tutorial, I will show you one Google Maps scraper that I built with Python. So I will show you right now this Google Maps scraper. So the Google Maps scraper is that scrape all the data from Google Maps profiles, and only do you have to do is put in the keyboard box, for example, auto parts in Boston, and you can put here in the city Boston too. And next, you can click search in the search button, and the software will start to extract all the information for all the auto parts in Boston. It generates a list of the parts in Boston. So let's wait to finish the extract for all data. Well, it's done. And in this at this moment, it generates a list for auto parts in Boston. You can export in Excel clicking on this button that says Export Excel, and you can put here the name of your file and the folder of your choice to download and generate the Excel file. So for example, I will put Auto Parts Boston 01. The file was generated, and we can put here the download folder and click on the file, and this is the file with a listing of all of the parts button, all of the parts uh, listing from Boston. And well, this is the listing of auto parts in Boston that generate the software. And for example, we have the name of the business, the address, the phone number, the reviews, the website, the email if is found, and the schedule. So this software you can download and clicking on the link on the description below, or in the first comment. I will put the link to download this software on the description below or in the first comment of this video. Thanks for watching. Best regards.